If you are looking for an email marketing platform, then today you are in the right place. Today we're going to have a look at GetResponse. We're also going to have a look at Systeme.io. We want to know what they offer, how they can actually benefit you in your marketing campaigns. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. Oh, before we get started, don't forget to use the link in the description down below to get started with the software. It is an affiliate link, so we will get a slight kickback when you click on it. So go ahead and get started. Alright, jumping into GetResponse, straight off the bat, let's discuss some of their core strengths. So they have advanced email marketing. Now, a lot of these platforms do have email marketing. It's kind of like a standard feature, but we're looking for the advanced features. So you can create sophisticated email campaigns with an intuitive drag and drop editor. It allows you to build complex automation workflows that respond to subscriber behavior. And this means it's delivering the right message at the perfect moment to the right person. It's all set out. That's amazing. It also has an integrated webinar hosting. So you can host live and on-demand webinars directly within the platform. You can engage with your audience in real time with interactive tools while also capturing leads and following up automatically. And it does have conversion funnels as well, so you can actually design your very own high converting landing pages and complete sales funnels without coding knowledge. You can connect every step of the customer journey from the awareness to the purchase phase with built-in analytics. You can also see over here that marketers using GetResponse's AI powered subject line generator and send time optimization see dramatic improvements in their engagement metrics, up to 30%. Also, businesses leveraging the integrated webinar platform reported higher lead conversion rates compared to their standalone webinar tools, up to 20% more. You can also see over here that they have powerful marketing automation. So you can design multi-step automation sequences based on your user behavior, their engagement, and their demographics. You can automate lead nurturing, sales follow-ups, and even customer re-engagement efficiency. Also, you have behavioral targeting. So you can segment your audiences quite dynamically based on their actions, their page visits, their purchases, their email opens, and a bunch more. You can deliver highly relevant content and offers to maximize the conversions. You can also recover abandoned carts, send personalized product recommendations, and automate post-purchase communications, boosting your revenue and your customer loyalty. All right, let's have a look at Systeme.io now. So it's simplifying online business management, and let us see why. It is an all-in-one solution that removes the complexity from running an online business. And running any business is a challenge. But once you have a tool like this, it really helps you along, especially in the beginning stages. You can combine essential tools in a single intuitive platform. You can also focus on your growth rather than juggling multiple software subscriptions and tasks that Systeme.io actually automates and does for you. You can also see that it has a comprehensive solutions. So it replaces more than 5 separate tools within one platform that handles everything from funnel building, email marketing, course hosting, e-commerce transactions, and a whole lot more. It has a very user-friendly interface. So you can build professional sales funnels in minutes with their drag and drop editor. It requires zero technical knowledge, and more than 100,000 entrepreneurs praise its simplicity. It's really easy to use. You can also access responsive customer service that guides you through any challenges. You can also consistently highlight the personalized assistance as a key differentiator. The last thing over here is their powerful features that are driving growth. So first of all, their course hosting and management. This means that you can create, launch, and monetize online courses directly within the platform. Systeme.io handles everything from their content delivery to payment processing with a built-in affiliate management to expand your reach. You can also set up evergreen webinars that run on autopilot, nurturing your leads and making sales 24/7 without you actively being involved. You can integrate email sequences to follow up with attendees automatically. They are super feature rich, and they're definitely worth checking out. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. As I mentioned previously, don't forget to use that link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, so you can actually get started and you'll be supporting our channel. We'll see you next time. Until then, take care.